Hey everybody, John Ireland here, your auto recon coach. One of my favorite quotes of all time is, if you don't think money grows on trees, you're obviously not shaking every branch. What I mean by that is, it doesn't matter if you're a detailer, if you're a vehicle interior guy, an exterior guy, a PDR guy, or if you own your own car dealership and you're looking to add more value to your cars. There is so much stuff that you can be doing, so much stuff that you can be charging for and putting extra money in your pocket literally on almost every single vehicle. Let me just show you what I mean. This truck here, we've got tons of exterior scratches. We got hard plastic bumper repair. We got a road rash front bumper. All of these things I'm going to be showing you are very easy fixes if you've got the right tool set, the right skill set, the right mindset. We've got a rusty frame. Again, more scratches, more chips, a better look at the rusty frame. We've got a rusty hitch. We've got a beat up tonneau cover that can be dyed. We've got a bed liner that can be resprayed. Literally every single one of these things, $20, $30, $100. We got rusty, as I said, rusty frame, 80 bucks. We got all these bad scratches, these chips, more chips. We got dents. I'm not saying you have to do every single one of these things. We got a bleached out cowl. Every single one of these are things that you can be doing and making an extra $50, an extra $100, an extra $250 on every single vehicle. We got, look at, we got kick, a rusty threshold. You can put a kick plate on that, 40 bucks. We got salt stains in the carpets. You can clean and or dye that. We got stains in the seats. We got I know you can't see it at home, but we got a real heavy cigarette smell in this vehicle. Get a deodorizing system. This vehicle doesn't have it, but if it had a window chip, you could take care of it. Again, paint chips all over the place. Road rashed bumper. I'm not going to continue to go. It's every single one of these cars. Look at this. We got road paint all over this. Every single one of these things are easy things that you can do. Alloy wheel repair. Again, not everybody's going to be able to do all of these things. I don't do alloy wheel repair, but if I was struggling to make money, I'd maybe look at investing in that. So, again, if you're not making enough money, start shaking more branches. Start learning more skills. Have a good one.